Hello everyone, welcome to Light Codes. If you're here, you want to learn how to build web applications with Django, one of the most powerful and popular web frameworks in the world. And I'm Light, and today we're diving into the world of Django. Welcome. So let's begin. What is Django? Django is a high-level Python framework that allows developers to create robust, scalable web applications quickly and effectively. It was designed to help developers take applications from concept to completion as swiftly as possible, as fast as possible. Now, why choose Django? I'll give you four reasons why Django is very much a good choice in building web applications. One is that it is batteries included. What do I mean? Django comes with a lot of built-in features like authentication, ORM, which is object relation mapper, admin interface, and lots more. Secondly, security reasons. Django takes security reasons very seriously. It takes security very seriously and helps developers avoid common security mistakes. Thirdly, scalability. Django is designed to handle high traffic websites and scale with your needs. And the last point is the community that Django has. Django has a very large active community, meaning that you have tons of resources and support in case you hit a roadblock or something of that nature. So now we've known quite a bit about Django and what it's all about. Let us dive in, start setting up Django and installing Django. Now, for us to install Django, make sure you have Python installed on your computer. If you don't have Python installed already, you can go to their official website at python.org, follow the instructions there, and install Python. Install the latest version of Python, which is 3.11 or 12 or so. So, assuming you have Python installed, let us start. I'm going to pull up my terminal here and see into documents, which is where I'm going to store my Django project. You can store your Django project anywhere, be it on desktop or any other place, but I choose to store mine in my documents. Now I'm going to create that directory. I'm going to name it Django 2. You can name it whatever you want to name it, but I choose Django 2 because I created a lot of folders. I don't want any clash in folder, something like that. So name yours whatever you want to name it, and now I'm going to move into that folder, Django 2. And by the way, I'm using VS Code as my editor of choice, code editor of choice. You can use whatever text editor you want to use. Django VS Code is awesome and it's also free. So for me to invoke VS Code, I'm going to use the command code dot. This is going to invoke VS Code with that project directory we just created. And as you can see, this my VS Code is up and running. So before we install Django, we have to do one thing, which is to create a virtual environment. It's always recommended to always create virtual environments whenever we're creating a Python project. So for us to start that virtual environment, we use the command control and the tilde command. Or you can look for your virtual environment from the view from here, terminal, and click on new terminal. So my virtual environment my terminal is up. Now to create a virtual environment, we use the command Python, because we have Python installed in our computer, -m vmv venv. Now this last vmv is the name of the virtual environment. You can name yours whatever you want to name it, so I just choose vmv there. And our virtual environment has been created, as you can see here. What we need to do is to activate this virtual environment. So for us to activate this virtual environment, we use the command dot /venv, the name of the virtual environment, / again scripts activate. I'm using Windows, so the command on Mac is gonna be different. So bear with me, please. For Mac users, you can find your commands, please. You can ask ChatGPT to give you the commands, please. So for us to know that virtual environment has been activated, you can see with this green text here, which is the name of our virtual environment and parentheses. So now we have it set up. We can now install Django. We do that by using the command pip install Django. And this is going to install Django for us. So I'm going to pause the video. Alright, Django has been successfully installed in your computer. As you can see, it's successfully installed Django 5.0. So this is the version of Django that was installed. I think it's the latest version. So if you do so, you get this version. So now we have Django installed. Let us start. We're gonna create a directory in Django. It's called a Django project. This Django project is where that's gonna have all our Django settings, all the settings we're gonna use for the entire web application. You get to understand that as we move further. So for us to create that Django project, we use the command Django admin start project. Call it my projects. You can name it whatever you want to name it. Sorry for typing stuff. You can name it whatever you want to name it. So as you can see, it's been created here, Django project. This is the top level folder, and this is the main folder, the ones that houses those configurations here. This is my project here. So what we're gonna do is to cd. We're going to this main project here, cd my project. So we are into this project here. Let me clear up my terminal. Good. So now we are into this project here, and now to confirm the Django is running, let us set up Django to see that it's running. For you to do that, you type in Python manage.py 17. Alright, Python manage.py. I made a mistake in spelling. Run server. As you can see, Django is running, and it's running on this port, this 127.0.01 port 8000. To confirm that in your browser of choice, you can go to that port and you can see this. When you see this page, you know that Django is up and running. And congratulations, you've installed Django successfully. Awesome. So this is just a brief overview of Django and how we can set it up. So before we wrap up, I'm going to just give you a little architecture of Django, how Django runs. or how it's built. So Django follows the NTV pattern. What do I mean? MTV meaning M is meaning models, T means template and view, and V means the views. So models define the data structures of your application, the views handle the logic and user interactions, and the templates define the HTML structure and presentation. If you don't understand this, don't worry, it's going to be clear to you in the upcoming videos. You see what I mean. So we'll dive deeper into each of these components in the upcoming videos. So that's a wrap up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And in the next video, we'll explore the basics of creating Django apps and configuring our projects. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified in my upcoming videos. Once again, thanks for watching and continue chasing your dreams. Thank you.